Eto pa. Marami pa tayong mga produkto magaganda, but this time I'm only gonna mention to you the most important functions of this great product. Complete Phyto Energizer may 16,000 phytonutrients. Ang C24/7, 22,000. So doon pa lang alam na natin that C24/7 is better than Complete by 6,000 phytonutrients. At lahat ng laman ng Complete, part din po ng C24/7. Pero ang tanong, kailan pa natin ibibigay ang Complete? Sa buntis, breastfeeding mom or lactating mom. Pag ang babae pa may problema sa kanilang reproductive organs, if they're taking blood-thinning synthetic medications, if they're suffering from bleeding or bleeding tendencies, kung may problema po sa kidney, sa liver, the preferred product for those kinds of clients will be what? Complete. And for the rest of your clients, go with C24/7. Yun po yun. Ngayon, isa pang produktong nabanggit ko na rin kanina is Restore Life, from the words restore your life or rejuvenate your life. Sabi nga po, Dok, teka lang, pampahaba ng buhay. Paano nangyayari po ito? According to medical studies, if you will take resveratrol, as it goes inside your nucleus, it will repair your damaged DNA. So yung sinisira ng mga free radicals will be repaired by this product. Maliwanag po. So sabi nila, Dok, sabi nila, it can prolong our lives by 30% or more? Yes. Gandang inumin yan. Hindi lang yun. It can speed up your metabolism, can break down the fats to form energy, can help normalize your blood sugar and blood cholesterol, good for the nervous system, with a great level of antioxidants and anti-cancer properties. Grabe yan, no? So let me repeat, my dear leaders. Yung 4 na longevity polyphenols and Restore Life, with 5 anti-aging, plus everything incomplete, they were added up to finally come out with this great product that we call C24/7. Yan yung mga pang-adult. Maliwanag po. Now, yung mga bata na 2 years old pa pataas, you can give them Kidney 24/7 Nutragamis. It's all natural. They will love the taste para lang kumakain ng gamis. Pero ulitin ko organic natural po ito. With 14 vitamins and minerals and 26 fruits and vegetables. Dok, teka lang. You were able to mention earlier, per capsule ng C24/7 sa complete, 12 fruits, 12 vegetables, in total 24. Ito 26, mas mataas ang dalawa. Yes, why? Be able to compensate yung sa mga bata na hindi mahilig kumain ng gulay sa kanang prutas. Kaya talagang maganda po sa mga bata po ito. Okay? Now, bigyan mo na rin ng may choco. Why? To enhance their brain memory. Sabi nga po, Dok, kailangan ng mga bata. Hindi lang bata, pati na rin po tayo. Now, why again? DHA. Importante yun. Itong may choco sa Kaliben Coffee, by the way, are both herbal beverages. Paano nangyari? Because 1/3 of the milligrams of complete with 16,000 phytonutrients were added to both Liban Coffee and My Choco. Kaya talagang the best inumin itong mga to. Hindi lang yan, alkaline pa. Safe sa ating stomach. Ngayon, ang Liban Coffee, by the way, my dear leaders, ito po ay, sabi nga nila, world class. Bakit? May coffee Arabica. Mababa ang caffeine, safe sa ating puso. At ang daming flavors or variants. We have the original, latte, cappuccino, at ang paborito ko, yung sugar-free. Sabi nga po nila, Doc, bakit sugar-free? Walang asukal, hindi masarap. Napakatamis, napakasarap. 300 times the sweetness of sugar. Why? Paano nangyari? Kasi merong stevia. Okay? Stevia po ang laman nito. Kaya nga, safe sa mga diabetic, walang asukal eh. Ano ba po? Can help normalize your blood pressure. Okay? May antibacterial properties. Can help strengthen the bone because of calcium production with a great level of antioxidant and anti-cancer properties. Maliwanag po. So maganda yung produkto natin, di ba? Sabi nga po, these are the wonderful beverages of our company. Herbal beverages po.